Everyone comes down with a cold and a cough every now and then, but doctors in the United States are issuing an important warning, and all the world should take note. They're raising the alarm that it could be whooping cough. It's making a comeback, and in a big way. In fact, health officials say it's the most cases the U.S. has seen in 50 years. Ginger Vaughn has more.
Health officials are urging parents and children to be vaccinated against pertussis, or whooping cough, known to some as a 100-day cough, because of a troubling outbreak in the U.S. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, this year there have been over 18,000 cases, the highest number in 50 years. That's twice the number seen at the same time last year, with an epidemic reported in Washington state and excessive cases reported in 2 other U.S. states, Minnesota and Michigan.
Anybody can be affected by pertussis, whooping cough. It's most severe in infants, those under 1 year of age. They are the most at risk. Over half of the infants with that will end up being in the hospital, and up to 2% can die from it.
Children and infants are most vulnerable. So far, 9 children have died from the highly contagious illness that starts off like a common cold, but can be prevented through vaccination. Pertussis is easily spread through coughing or sneezing. Coughing fits often make infants gasp for air, creating a distinctive sound, which gives whooping cough its name.
As cases of whooping cough increase across the U.S., more people are beginning to realize the only real way to protect yourself is through immunization. And doctors say the earlier, the better.
Dr. Carol Baker of Baylor College of Medicine in Houston says babies are most vulnerable and adults need to protect them.
Even before a baby is born, there's 2 things everybody should be thinking about. One is for whooping cough, to get your own whooping cough booster shot in the last 3 months of the pregnancy, so that you will pass the gift of protection to your baby. Then, of course, immunize your baby at 2, 4, and 6 months.
Doctors say infants younger than 2 months can't be immunized, so health officials say immunizing everyone in close proximity to young babies is crucial to their health. Ginger Vaughn, CCTV, Houston.